It's all right.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
okay. Are we doing?
Okay, okay.
All right. So, guys, great day today. The very last item, the very last, which were the washers for the oil pipes, arrived. So, I'm sorry if the sound's a bit dodgy, but we got monsoon going on here on the metal roof, so it's a bit noisy. But everything, right down to the last screw is now here. The problem is, my doctor got a little angry with me last week because my shoulder has not repaired, or the collarbone has not repaired as it's supposed to. So I have promised him that I will not do any heavy lifting. So now I'm in purgatory. I have all the parts, but I promised him I wouldn't do any heavy lifting. So I've arranged for a friend of mine, mechanic, to come on Thursday, and then we can fit all the parts, which will only take about an hour and a half, hour and 3/4 maximum to finish. So if you come over here, we'll have a look. So the replacement fairing with all the parts on, the upper fairing is done. The mudguard repaired, resprayed. Today, the inner cowling arrived, which has been so hard to get. Immaculate condition, all good. Lights, twist grips, because they were broken on the thing. The new fairings are sat waiting to be fitted. Everything is here now. The oil pipe's waiting to replace the ones that are slightly damaged. The oil pressure sensor, which I mentioned in another video, I don't know how it was broken, but I think it was when the rescue services lifted the bike. It's the only explanation. So everything is now ready. So on Thursday, by end of play Thursday, the Millennium Falcon will be back on the road. Just to come around here, just to remind, so the clutch is new, the handlebars are new, the bar end stops are new, the front fairings new, the inner cowl's new, the side fairings are new, the exhaust is new, the gear change unit is new, the hangers front and rear are all new, the side panels are new, the lights are new on one side, the forks have been replaced with my spare ones because there was damage on one side, so these now are fitted with the upgraded suspension and all repainted and all nice, ready to go. And obviously the oil pipes. So Thursday, she will be back 100%. I'm not, but the bike is. At last. It's been a long, nearly 3 months, but there we go. The problem is at the moment we've been in a monsoon season with several typhoons for the last 6 weeks or so, and it rains unbelievably every day, and there's no end in sight. In one way that's a pain in the ass, but it also, I probably wouldn't be riding anyway in this weather. So we're nearly there. Now before I go, just a quick one on the ZXR 750. So again, everything is now ready. Everything is now ready. The new exhaust silencer or muffler, if you're an American, that arrived. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's not standard, but it's as near standard as I can get. It's impossible to get a great condition standard one. The one that's fitted is an original. It has some accident damage, but some idiot cut the length of the silencer. I have no idea why. So I decided to replace it. So we're all ready to go. I don't think, the ZXR is not going to be ready this week, because although the parts are here, there's going to be some more screws or brackets or something that we find. But we're nearly there. We're nearly there. I had the side infield, which are normally a really boring grey, and it's a rough surface, so it ages, it's really not nice. So I had them hydro dipped in my favourite carbon colour, and they've come back absolutely beautiful. So I'm very pleased with that. I've also had, wait, if I open up the mirrors, replacement mirrors, again, they had a very, wasn't shiny, wasn't matte finish. So again, I've had the mirrors done. So they're all hydro dipped as well. They look really nice, I think. All right, so it's been a long 3 months, but it's there. So the next video I post will be the ZZR after I've washed it with the engine running, and I may even take it for a little spin around the block. Nearly there, guys. Ciao.